Madeira. No próximo fim de semana venham ao Almada Extreme Sprint. Contamos com vocês.
Welcome everybody. Those of you who like cars, you've got to get down to Almada on this weekend. We have a bit for everybody, and it culminates in a race of champions. All the winners of each class will be racing against each other in an identical car. Looking forward to seeing you this weekend, and you'll see this great man, our ex-world champion, Rui Madeira.
Welcome to Almada Extreme Sprint next weekend.